Today we're going to be making homemade cream corn. The way my mom used to make it, my dad used to grow corn in his garden, and we grew some white corn and yellow corn, but this is more likely yellow corn. But Mom used to let me help her and peel the corn off and make the cream corn, and it was just delicious. So much better than having cream corn in a can. You will love it. Okay, so we took the husk off the corn here. So now I'm going to wash the corn with water, and then we'll start peeling the corn in a plate. We're going to cut the corn here like this, and you can see what that looks like while I cut it. Just like that. You have to try to hold it as firm as you can. You don't want to go too deep while you cut it, because it'll be really hard to cut. And we'll scrape it, where it missed it a little bit. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so I think we cut all the kernels. So now what you do is this. You just scrape it like that. Just kind of go all the way around and scrape it. And you turn your ear on the other end. Just do the same thing. Just kind of scrape it like this. Okay, I'm going to do the other two just like that, and then I'll show you our next step after that. So I got all the corn cut here, and I just wanted to tell you, please be careful when you're using the knife. Don't want you to hurt yourself. But I got it all cut here, and I went ahead and scraped all 3 ears, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to show you what's next, and I call it milking the corn, is what I call it, to make it creamier. Okay, now we're going to milk the corn. So I put water over the ear of the corn, and then you'll see this white stuff coming out like this as I turn my hand. And get some more water over the ear of corn here. Do this. Again, you see the white stuff. We'll do the last one like that. And then we'll also add a little bit of water in it too. Not much. Alright. Okay, and I'll show you what's next. Okay, so I added a little bit of water into the mixture here. Now we're going to be doing some spices. And again, you can put whatever spices you want. And if you don't know already, I'm a spice girl, love spices. So I put some spices in here. I just put salt and pepper, a little bit of taco seasoning, and some onion powder. And I put about 2 tablespoons of butter here, so I'm going to stir it up and then let the butter melt and probably just cook it no more than 8 minutes. The cream corn is done. And you can see it here. See how good that looks? And if you want, you can add a little bit of milk to the mixture if you want to make it creamier. You're welcome to do that. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.